What up, B? Hush, Gatsby. I'm trying to do my voiceover for my. Anyway, I did this look using Juvia'S palettes, and I see that they've been getting like a whole lot of backlash and stuff. And honestly, a bitch already spent the money on the palette. I got like 3 palettes, and I just went and bought another one last Friday, and then I want to see all these videos. But anywho, I did this look using Juvia'S palette. I think it's called the Zulu, and I'm just gonna walk y'all through what I did and kind of talk about this backlash and stuff like that, because I feel like people deserve to know, and we gonna bring it back. Okay, for real. Let's get into it. So I went in with my eyes with my Fenty concealer, of course, as y'all can see. Dab. So like I said, I was using the Zulu by Juvia'S place. And I went in with that orange color. Come on, Seth. Come on. Yeah, the orange. We see it. The orange. And then we're gonna put that all over my lid. So apparently Juvia'S place has been getting some backlash from a lot of famous YouTubers about them initially supporting black YouTubers and then now targeting more white, more mainstream YouTubers, when the black YouTubers were the ones that was getting them coins in the beginning. Honestly, I didn't know anything about this when I went and bought the palettes, and I already spent $60 on her palettes. I probably won't buy any more just because, I feel like we need to support our people. Yes, sis, I see that orange. Now we're going, so now we got the orange. Now we're going to go in here with this yellow, and we're going to do the ombre effect on the tail of my little wing eyeshadow look. So we're going to apply the yellow all to the side. Like I was saying, and this is gonna take me like a minute. There was actually like a lot of footage on this, but I cut this down to only 7 minutes and some change, because of the fact that like I had to keep going in with that yellow to make it even show up. I don't know if it's because like I didn't use the eyeshadow primer like how I was supposed to, and I just used concealer. But that's exactly what I did in my last video, and the color showed up great. But I don't know if it's because I'm black and the yellow, but oh, excuse me. But yeah, so I'm going in with the yellow, trying to make it like pop as as hard as it can, because I really wanted it to be like yellow. Oh, and I'm going in with this concealer brush right now to make like more of that wing shape that I wanted with the eyeshadow, because I wanted it to like look like liner but not liner, if that makes sense, just like a wing. So yeah, but back to what I was talking about. She has been getting like a lot of backlash, and she even went to Twitter and was just like tweeting back and forth with Jackie Aina. By the way, shout out to Jackie, I love you. So yeah, it's been like a whole bunch of backlash going on with her. And Alyssa Ashley, I love her too. And apparently like she's just not really fucking with the black YouTubers like how she was in the beginning, even though Alyssa Ashley says that she purchased her palette like with her own money in the beginning. Like she didn't even like get this like sent to her, which is like a big deal, because it's like like black people be trying to support black owned businesses, and if we actually spend our coins on you and then like y'all turn around and just kind of like shit on us, like that sucks. But it happens. I'm clearly not on anybody's PR list right now, because your girl is new, but it's okay, because I'm gonna start being on people's PR list, and it's gonna be amazing. But yeah, by the way, y'all, the discoloration and stuff around my mouth is burn marks. They have been there for over 2 years, because I was trying to narrow my mustache, and the shit just never went away. So yeah, it's not like I'm about to sit here and like bash or whatever, because at the end of the day, sis still got my coins regardless, because I didn't know anything about this. But like I said, it kind of sucks when you target an audience, and then like you get their support, and then it's like that's how you become popular. And then once you become popular, then it's like, haha, just kidding, F y'all, I'm gone. So you feel me? Yeah, so this is how it's looking like toward the end. Still trying to work with that yellow. Still trying to like pat a little bit onto that because you feel me. I wanted it to pop. Now I'm going in with this just to clean up that concealer so that it doesn't look like, you know, bam, like, you know. So we're just gonna blend that out, clean that up, and things of that nature. Then you're gonna take off that tape, and then that way you can really see like how that wing, you know, formed. Oh, that yellow is not as bright as I want it to be, but you know, I feel like I put a lot on there. See, I'm coming in close so y'all can really see. Then I'm gonna go in with this NYX liner, which is honestly and truthishly my favorite liner ever. Like, that shit is so damn precise and just so smooth. Like, NYX, like, just thank you. Thank you. I don't know what listen, I don't know. But this shit right here, this right here, this, okay, let me stop. Let me stop. But yeah, I love this liner. I'm gonna put what it is, you feel me, in the description bar because like I said, I'm doing this voiceover and it's honestly 1:30 in the morning. Like, I just got off work, I'm chilling, and I gotta make these wigs in the morning, so I'm just trying to, you know, not do, like, you know, take one less thing off my to-do list, you feel me. So yeah, I went and did the other eye off camera because, you know, y'all don't want to see that. And then I put on my lashes because y'all know that take the longest for me. Y'all see all my dark spots. So we got put on makeup. Bam. Oh my god, bitch, you are gorgeous, and you know it too, huh? Come in close. Oh, don't give him with the look down. Oh my god. Yes, wig is laid, honey, with these bobby pins. They don't know. And I ain't even putting nothing on the hair. Like, I literally pulled this hair or pulled this wig out of my little wig bin. Yes. Oh, not backwards. Don't hurt them. Oh my god, that looked weird. Right. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. And go subscribe. Okay? Right now. Period.